Hello, good evening. I get everyone. The reason why I entered the Italian net search is searching how to take the people who create map, the problem with the electric inside my body. That's why I monitor their net. They are politicians, some of them good, some people they bad. But the reason why I quiet why I monitor there, right now I cannot quietly listen to the camp people. I want to go to international security who they here. Even though international security no dey here, they will send a message to Switzerland, Geneva. No be small pence they gave me. In the night they never allow me sleep. That one woman there up there, 3 room or AI there, they plug it. They'll plug it, it hurt my body, damn to sleep. So I cannot quietly one listen to all the camp people. These camp people, they cannot do nothing about that one. Now I want to send the security in Italy. They will see me. I will send security, international security. International security, they can enter everywhere in the world. Only security in the France cannot enter Italy like that because by international security, get the permission can enter everywhere. The reason why they fix the electric inside my body, I want to prove everything to them. Who lie everything, them to have to contact me so that the person show me which kind of evil I do that person. The person are stealing, they have to show that person. When I sit down operating the phone in the house, I acquire the pens, AI inside my body. They fixed in the Italy 2018 because of they say why I formatted some different phone. So if you have formatted different phone, no machine can format that phone. I am the one who formatted the Hawa P9 proof. P9 proof or P10, my brother said, still gave me. It's Ghana. The person is Ghana. Me too, I am Ghanaian. It be my travel self, Abdusalam. My name is the Mohammed Momone. Simply I formatted it. So I returned to him. Where I go, I use the Wiko first 2016. I had the pictures in the Wiko. So I go back with that Wiko. I put my documents in that where I take format that Hawaii. That number is +393-2084-62179. Italian secret, you control that SIM card, they will tell you Sibra Mohammed Momon buy that SIM card. Where I change it to Kena Mobile. Kena Mobile to Elia to Kena Mobile again. The same number, they pass it. So I go back with my week, I use this small. 2017 when I'm talking to you. That time I format that Hawa P10 proof or P9, it go be October beginning or September ending where I formatted. So I return to him, I go back calling my Wiko because I already get the pictures in that Wiko. By that time when I use the Wiko, no be that SIM card. So I go back with the Wiko. Wiko 10 or Wiko 9 something like this. I go back with it because I take that somebody. When I put it back, I use small the Wiko fall down. I go buy Hawa P20 store with the guarantee. November 17, 11, 2017, I buy Hawa P20 store, Pescara Airport. When you go to Pescara Airport, they get some big supermarket close to near the airport. These people, that place, I enter a shop. You are two guys, Mohammed Kwante, Mohammed Momon Sura buy it. The other guy who follow me go buy it. That guy name is Mohammed Kwante, Gambia guy. I'm the Ghana guy, I'm the one who buy it. Mohammed Momon Sibri. I give them my permission of sojourn 6 months. You see that permission of sojourn 6 months. Sibri Mohammed Momon did that permission of sojourn 6 months. Sibri is the father name, Mohammed Momon is my name. The one do the guarantee, they cancel my money, that guarantee, but they do the photocopy. They do the document photocopy. Abruzzo Pescara. The resident, they will tell you that resident will buy it. The resident will touch that permission so you not buy it. They will show you Torino Sango resident. Or I take the resident permission, resident, what they call it, carta d'identità. Carta d'identità, I touch the permission so you not 6 months buy it or hospital card. 2 documents I take give them. They do the photocopy. I cannot quiet these campaigns. That thing, if they don't remove it, it come to give me trouble. When I sit down the France here, even though I cannot learn the language, because the system about like this, that the morning I will sleep. Sometimes I will wake up and say I go outside. When I go outside, you see that I going the up and down. I wear the pens, that's why I do the exercise. I want my bones to straight. That's why I do that one. If they don't remove that thing, they come to give me trouble. But if you are selling that international security, the person who speak to you, a people international job, that I am branch FGI, and the one who do that job, FGA. Take that video, go show the workers there. They will tell you this guy, they will tell you my history. I cannot tell you leaders. And there's some leaders who take that market, their lie where they lie 2018, feel the pains inside my body. Let me go give you the email where I opened the Howard P20. Howard P20 where I buy it November 17, 11, 2017 Pescara. So I take come her house, I do the same number I take create the Howard P20. I do Mohammed Mum, I open the Facebook account. Mohammed Mum on a direct name, no gap. One tap. Jgmail.com. In Italian, you can check your postal pay. I do the postal pay application the same day. 1998, Sivre. 1998, Sivre postal pay application, I can check my balance. By 2022, I changed the postal pay application again. This one I have to change. The same me. 2021 ending, I go buy the Samsung where I make the email gap. Mohammed Momon Sivre. Mohammed Momon Sivre, I make it gap. Where I make the same Google accounts. The same Google account like 2017, gmail.com. The same number, I pass that number to Kena Mobile to Ilya to Kena Mobile again. The same me. This Oppo, I am the owner, Sibro Mohammed Momo buy this Oppo guarantee. The same people I buy Howard P20, the same people I go buy this Oppo. I buy Samsung before I reject that Samsung before I take this Oppo. International security, you will see them there now. I'm not joking. When you see me where I do the job where I'm quietly only hard I can help it. I can make the hard work for the international leaders. You are well company. Even some Italian technology goods come with the place I stand. Sangro Mechanic is I am product. Go check in the FEJ company. Do not bring the technology goods there. And why I do these kind of things? 2018, you feel the pain. You don't make your man to remove that pains. 2020 requesting, you take one Ghana document for my document. What document you take for my document? You reach out to the country, you take that OT document, give I send a signature. You take my task, send signature to someone. After that one, the IAM monitor them because it keep long my document no come. That and still data company, that technology company working. So the IAM monitor they say you see them comment about a document matter. They ask, they say they hold it. So I am tell them if they take that document and give someone, they have to bring that document back to me. I am monitor them. I am is no useless company. So now they send a different one again. My friend, everybody, if they check my Richavuta, my document on, they call it Chitadini. So if I go to take it, some the region. The reason why they fight me that one, they don't want me to. I dropped the Italian local agriculture job. The reason why they fence me that territory. Because that agriculture job where I do that time, 2017 beginning or to 2018. When I drop that man, because that man I'm not get the money that man has. Small money, 25, where I have I take an apartment to pay the light bill, the water bill, the rent money. It come to hard. That's why I drop in where I go welcome in 2019. So that's why they gave me that 10 years. They say they will not allow me to receive it. I can check it I can check the document code. I see my friends, everybody see it. Your document on 10 years. Go collect if you have got not you collect it. They throw my document 3 times. The first 2017 beginning where I go commission, they rather give me they see it. The lie where they say I format that if you format that how P9 Pro or P10. The Google account with the P20 is not the same Google account. I am the one who changed it. So if you are formatting, nobody will get it. That's why the work put AI electric inside my body. Up to now, that electric day inside my body. It day inside my body, I take enter you well this company. I cannot quietly. If the international security where I sit down in the France here, they will see me there. So I will send them to there to do that research. And international authority in the all about the world, international authority about the immigrant. That thing, you is responsible to remove it inside my body. Because the people who feel it, they feel it, they come in with that technology company again, they steal my money there. Fool the company. I'm the one who working the night past everyone. Even though the place I stand, no one. You go monitor the FEJ members, they will tell you. Now, why I sit down here, they give them that, they give some guests there that are up here. Then give me pens where I'm not safe. That's why I sit down up, operating the phone like that. Don't think I'm crazy. I know what I'm doing. I enter their payment monitor. I want to see the information wrong. The place where the wrong come. That thing where I capture, I searches, capture. Because the life for them where I'm mad. Where I'm not mad. So they say I get a wife in Ghana where I lie for them. Me, I'm not married. So the company give me file. Feel even though you married, feel bring your family can you need them. I swear I have the file. My name did that every year. I was every year 2022 they give me that thing. I reject it. I say I will not feel it. The document no enter my hand. You give me trouble, you lie against me again. If you are go holiday, everybody can travel. Me, I cannot even though European countries I cannot travel go anywhere.